Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Arty and Crafty. Today I'm going to show you how to color this unicorn with this pencil colors. For that we need this Faber-Castell pencil colors or any colors whichever you have, and these are sketch pens. So let's start. First I will just make a border with this black sketch pen. See, I have completed this. Now we'll take this gray color and we'll start our shading. Now we'll take this white color on the highlight part. Now again the gray color, I will just strokes here. See, I have completed this. Do the gray part in this horn and here in the inner part, and this we will do with colorful. Now I'm taking this purple color and just start shading. Very pressure and then light pressure. I'm taking this lavender color and will mix with this purple. See. Now when we finish this one part of color, take the baby oil on the brush and just brush it on this color. This manner. See how the shine and how the color becomes dark. It's very important stage to do this. Now I'm taking this Ultramarine Blue and Ultramarine Violet. First I'll take this blue. Now Ultramarine Violet. Just apply over it. Mix the color. Use the heavy pressure technique. If you haven't seen my video about color pencil technique, please do watch that. this. Now I'm using this sky blue and emerald green. First I'll take this sky blue and do the strokes. This manner. Now we'll take this emerald blue. See, when we are done with it, please apply this baby oil so our color will shine. For yours, I am using this blue gray, pink and deep pink. First we'll do a bit shading of gray. Here also. Then we'll apply this dark pink, deep pink. Then this pink. And every time when you finish this one section, please apply the baby oil. Same thing do here also. Now I'm using this Colbat Green. Then I'll use this green. Just merge all the colors. Then I'll use this light green. See how beautiful the shade comes. And then a bit of yellow green. Just merge all the colors together and apply baby oil. Now I will use this yellow and orange. So let's start. Yellow I'll put here. Just put the strokes. Here I am using a bit of chrome yellow. And then orange. Here I'm using this Vermillion. Just fill the color. Now here I'm using this Geranium Red and Red. First we'll apply the dark color Geranium Red. Just blend with this Vermillion. This manner. this red and merge all these colors. Apply very heavy pressure technique. Just fill this. Here I am using this violet, a bit of violet, deep pink and pink. This manner. Then I'll apply this deep pink. Then pink. So here it is. See how beautiful and shiny it looks when we apply this baby oil and the color becomes more darker. So I hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of more interesting videos. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.